Samsung is already changing course in anticipation of its next big reveal, which will be the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 foldables. The Galaxy S25 series launch and the rocky rollout of One UI 7 are already behind it. According to the last several years, these items could be introduced this year earlier than expected. If the speculations are accurate, Samsung has been slowly extending its timeframe for the launch of its foldable device. Early July is when the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 are anticipated to make their debuts, marking the beginning of the foldable season. This time, Samsung is going to have an unpacked event in New York, according to a recent story by Jun Gang. This is a kind of a homecoming, considering that the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 were the subject of the last Unpacked in NYC in 2022. Ever since, Samsung has been traveling all over the world. The Galaxy S25 was shown in sunny San Jose, California, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 were unpacked in Paris. Since the 4th of July is a major holiday in the US, Samsung will likely want to avoid taking away from the fireworks. Therefore, the event is likely to take place on July 1st, 2, or 7. Samsung may advocate for an even earlier launch in order to remain ahead of the curve if they are really feeling the pressure from the competition. So, what can we expect from the Galaxy Z Fold 7 going forward? With its mostly minor improvements, the Z Fold the 6th of May not have impressed everyone, but the Fold the 7th of May be the turning point. Although a total makeover is not anticipated, experts believe it will provide more significant advancements than those we've seen in the last 2 years. First off, the Fold 7 is said to be Samsung's thinnest folding. It may be as thin as 10 mm when folded. This accomplishment is noteworthy, especially for those who have been wary about foldables because of their size. Additionally, a larger 8-inch internal display may be included, providing users with even more room to multitask, work, and watch. Camera improvements are when things start to get very interesting. The 200-megapixel main sensor from the Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to be used in the Fold 7. Wow, that's a powerful picture. In addition, people have been clamoring for an enhanced under-display camera since the early days, and it may eventually arrive with higher quality and clearer images. Of course, none of this is official yet, and we will have to wait for Samsung's own teaser marketing or official sources to confirm anything. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.